This Century 21 Sterling Realty property video is presented by Ken Worthington. House being sold as is / whereas, the owner will not do repairs of any kind, will not qualify for government loan programs. This house needs major rehab. Boarded up for years. Please do not enter the property due to safety concerns. The current owner has never lived at the property. All information is believed to be accurate, but should not be relied upon without verification. Accuracy of square footage, lot size, and other information is not guaranteed. Please do your due diligence. For more information, review the details below or contact Ken Worthington at 304-263-2121.